Good morning, students. We are on April 15th, 2020, Wednesday of our week. I hope you guys have been working diligently through our social studies of our Unit 8, Australia. Okay, we are almost to our end and almost close to moving on to our review and our quizzes for this unit on the Australia Aborigines. Today's starter note is kind of a summary of a few of the items that we are talking about or we have talked about in the unit. You have a brief look at some of our relative locations as well as discussing our physical and political features of Australia's geography. You're going to continue to talk about the Aborigines as we talked about yesterday's assignment from item number 10. Um, please make sure that you are staying on track with these assignments so that each of our units are flowing together. If you need to pause our starter notes for today so you can get that in a piece of paper, or I know some of you are writing your notes within a Google document, you can do that. All right. But today you are going to talk about how the European diseases and weapons affected the indigenous people of Australia. Okay. We should know that the indigenous people of Australia is the original people, which is the Aborigines. Okay. You are going to work through this document and you are going to read. Okay. This document is actually 2 pages. Each paragraph provides you with 2 questions at the end. Okay, please make sure that you are reading through the paragraph and answering each question in complete sentence, right? So if I were to press pause and you were to read the first paragraph, it should provide you the answers for the first 2 questions within for this paragraph only, right? So if I was to come down here and prepare myself to answer who had an immediate impact on the Aborigines of Australia, I should know or be able to write in a complete sentence that European settlers, okay, had an immediate impact on the Australia indigenous people or the Aborigines, okay? You should be able to write that in there. I'm not going to write that because I want you to have the opportunity to do that. Continue on to this paragraph as you move forward. Okay. This assignment is a little bit easier than yesterday, but I hope you're reading through or watching or reading the whole passage so you can get the key terms within the assignment. Key fact, key terms, okay, key um, pullaways from each question. All right. Like yesterday, okay, I discussed with you your Big 20. Your Big 20 for week 5 is not due until Friday, the 17th. Okay, you will need to work through all of your assignments. Okay, I posted this within your Tuesdays, um, your Tuesdays post in item number 10, but you'll be using item 10, item 11. Some of you may be going all the way through item 1 through 9. Okay. So just know that this is not due until Friday, but it will be part of an assessment for our week 5 distant learning. All right. Be aware that we do have live sessions tomorrow. So be on the lookout within your classrooms to see when your class is having a live session, since we missed Monday's live session for my second and third period. All right. As always, remember, be great. Okay, work your hardest and go Gators.